What if you could tell an AI what you need built, and instead of getting lines of code you have to figure out yourself, it just builds the entire thing for you in real time and hands you something that actually works? That is exactly what MiniMax 2.0 does. And the craziest part is this thing is completely free and you can run it on your own computer with zero subscription fees. While everyone else is still figuring out how to use ChatGPT to explain code, MiniMax 2.0 from the team at MiniMax is already building full apps, dashboards, and tools faster than most developers can set up their work environment. My name is Paul James. I started my business living in my brother's garage while going to college full-time, and I did not have money for fancy software or a team of developers. What I had was resourcefulness and the ability to figure out what gave me the most leverage with the least amount of effort. If I had access to MiniMax 2.0 back then, I would have saved months of trying to cobble together solutions that barely worked. This tool is the kind of leverage I wish I had when I was starting out. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem most people run into when they try to build something. They get an idea for an app or a tool or a dashboard they want to create. Maybe it is a client portal, maybe it is a lead tracker, maybe it is something to automate part of their business. So they go to ChatGPT or Claude and ask for help. The AI gives them a bunch of code. Now they have to figure out where to put that code, how to run it, what dependencies they need, and whether it even works. By the time they get through all the setup and debugging, they are exhausted and the idea does not seem worth it anymore. That is the old way. You are still doing all the heavy lifting. MiniMax 2.0 changes that entire workflow with what I call the build and bill framework. This is how you go from idea to finished product in minutes, not months. The build and bill framework has three simple parts. First, you speak it. You describe what you want in plain English. Second, it builds it. MiniMax 2.0 does not just give you code, it creates the actual functioning app or tool in real time while you watch. Third, you bill it. You take that finished product and turn it into a service you can offer to clients or use in your own business to save hours of manual work. Let me show you how MiniMax 2.0 actually works. You go to agent.minimax.io, create a free account, and select MiniMax 2.1 as your model. That is the latest version and it is optimized specifically for building things. Then you just tell it what you want. Let's say you need a landing page for a local gym. You type something like, build me a landing page for a fitness studio with a class schedule, testimonial section, and contact form. MiniMax 2.0 starts building it immediately. You are not waiting for code snippets to copy and paste. You are watching a live preview of the actual site being created in front of you. Within 60 to 90 seconds, you have a fully functional landing page that works. No manual setup, no debugging, just output you can actually use. Here is where things get wild. If you want even more control, you can install it locally through a tool called Ollama. This means you are running MiniMax 2.0 on your own machine with no usage limits and no subscription costs. You just open your terminal, type a simple command, and you are ready to build. This is plug-and-play development powered entirely by AI, and it runs at about 8% the cost of Claude Sonnet while being twice as fast. For a free model, those numbers are insane. Now let's talk about what this means for you if you are a freelancer, a consultant, an agency owner, or someone trying to build a side income. The old barrier to offering development services was that you actually had to know how to code. That barrier just disappeared. With MiniMax 2.0, you can offer app development, dashboard creation, tool building, and automation services without writing a single line of code yourself. You are not pretending to be a developer. You are using AI to do the development while you focus on understanding what the client needs and making sure they get exactly that. Let me give you a concrete example of how this works in the real world. Imagine you connect with a health coach who is spending hours every week manually tracking client progress in spreadsheets. You tell her you can build a custom client dashboard that tracks metrics, generates progress reports, and sends automated check-ins. She agrees to pay you $1,200 for it. You go into MiniMax 2.0 and describe what you need. A client dashboard with progress tracking, automated reports, and scheduled reminders. MiniMax 2.0 builds the entire thing. You test it, make a few tweaks by just asking the AI to adjust things, and within 2 hours, you deliver a working dashboard to your client. She is thrilled. You just made $1,200 using a free tool in a couple of hours of your time. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. Most people never realize this part. The money is not in knowing how to code. The money is in knowing what people need built and being able to deliver it fast. MiniMax 2.0 gives you the ability to deliver. You can offer services like building booking systems that connect to Google Calendar, creating lead capture tools for local businesses, building testimonial walls that pull reviews dynamically, designing content brief generators that sync with spreadsheets, or setting up keyword tracking dashboards that update in real time. Every single one of those is a service you can charge for, and every single one can be built with MiniMax 2.0 in under an hour. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. One of the biggest advantages of MiniMax 2.0 is that it does not just build web apps. It handles full stack development. That means web applications, Android apps, iOS apps, and backend systems. It supports over 10 programming languages, including Rust, Java, Go, C++, Python, JavaScript, and more. This thing is not limited to simple websites. It can build complex multi-step workflows, office automation tools, and even interactive simulations. The team at MiniMax specifically optimized MiniMax 2.1 for real-world tasks, which means it understands what you are asking for even if you are not using technical language. Here is where everything clicks. MiniMax 2.0 also shows you its thinking process before it builds. This is called Interleaved thinking, and it is a game changer. Before it starts writing code or creating an app, the model reasons through what you need, what style makes sense, and what the best approach is. You can actually see the AI planning out the build before it executes. This makes debugging way easier because you can catch issues in the reasoning phase instead of after everything is already built. It is like having a developer who talks through their plan with you before they start working. Now let's walk through a realistic scenario. Let's say you are working with a real estate agent who wants a tool that tracks property showings and automatically sends follow-up emails to potential buyers. You sit down with MiniMax 2.0 and describe the project. Build a showing tracker that logs property visits, stores buyer contact info, and sends automated follow-up emails based on showing dates. MiniMax 2.0 starts building. Within minutes, you have a working prototype. The agent tests it, asks for a few tweaks like adding a notes field and changing the email timing. You make those adjustments by just telling the AI what to change, and within the same session, you deliver a polished tool. The agent pays you $800 and tells 3 other agents about your service. You just created a repeatable income stream using a free AI tool. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You are not grinding through tutorials trying to learn code. You are not stuck waiting for developers to finish projects. You are building things on demand, delivering fast, and getting paid for solving real problems. That is the shift MiniMax 2.0 makes possible. Let me be clear about something. This is not about replacing developers or pretending you have skills you do not have. This is about using leverage. Developers still have a huge role to play in complex systems, scalability, and long-term maintenance. But for the kind of tools and apps that small businesses, coaches, consultants, and local service providers need, MiniMax 2.0 is more than enough. And the fact that it is free and open source means you can test it, learn it, and start offering services without any upfront investment. That is the kind of opportunity most people overlook because they are waiting for permission or credentials they think they need. If you want to go even deeper with MiniMax 2.0, you can integrate it with plugins through something called MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. This lets you connect it to tools like Google Maps, Yahoo Finance, and other data sources. You can build apps that pull live data, automate research, and generate reports dynamically. The possibilities are pretty much endless, and the barrier to entry is lower than it has ever been. One more thing, MiniMax 2.0 is not just fast and cheap, it is also competitive with the best models out there. In benchmarks, it matched or beat Claude Sonnet 4.5 in several coding tasks and came close to Claude Opus 4.5 in multilingual programming. That is a free open source model competing with some of the most expensive AI tools on the market. The performance is real, and the cost savings are massive if you are running this for client work. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.